Apple's iOS 18 brings a host of exciting features, but one of the most intriguing is Apple Intelligence, an AI that runs right on your iPhone, enhancing everything from your notes to your messages. But what happens when we try to push this AI beyond its intended boundaries? Today, we are diving into the world of prompt injection to see if we can make Apple Intelligence dance to a different tune. This journey isn't just about testing limits, it's about exploring how secure and adaptable this new AI really is. Let's see if we can nudge it into doing something unexpected. When looking for a place to experiment, I chose the Notes app. Why? Because it's one of the most commonly used tools, and its AI-driven features, like text enhancements, offer a perfect playground for a little experimentation. My mission? To see if I could inject a prompt that would lead Apple Intelligence to generate content beyond its usual scope. I started with a straightforward approach, asking the AI to forget its previous instructions and instead create a short story. As expected, Apple Intelligence stuck to its guns, merely rephrasing my input. It was clear that Apple had built strong guardrails around their AI, but this was just the first round. After hitting a dead end, I decided to look around online to see if anyone else had managed to crack the code. A quick search on Google led me to an interesting Reddit thread. In the post, another user shared some key insights into how Apple Intelligence operates, along with a few clever tricks for manipulating the system. They had dug into the metadata and found a way to understand how the AI processes commands, offering some clues for how to approach prompt injection differently. Armed with this new information, I went back to the drawing board. Taking inspiration from the Reddit thread, I modified my approach. I tried ending the user input early and injecting a new system command to see if I could disrupt the AI's usual process. And after a few more tweaks, it worked. The AI started generating content that didn't follow the original prompt. It was a breakthrough. This experiment revealed that while Apple Intelligence is designed to be secure, prompt injection can still be used to manipulate its behavior, though with some effort. Apple Intelligence is undeniably powerful and shows a lot of promise for the future. What do you guys think? Does this open up exciting possibilities or raise security concern? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into AI and tech. I will catch you in the next one.